Good afternoon, Panthers. I'm here to show you our new work-based learning option in Naviance. So if you are a student looking for part-time work, summer work, an internship, um, any kind of like work-based opportunity where you could learn more about a certain pathway or career, this is where you'd want to go. If you click on the Careers tab at the top of your iPad and then Find Work-Based Learning is what you're going to click on, and it will bring you here. If you are looking for part-time work or just summer jobs, things like that, I've listed them all as externships. So you can click on that specifically if you just want to look for open jobs right now. One thing I want to tell everybody though is that you can't just click apply. That's not going to actually apply you to the job, but what it would do is just remind you maybe that you've already submitted your application. Once you click on it, you can go in, you can get details of the job, location and dates, how to actually apply to the position. Most of them are online. I think there's only one application where it's paper, and that's actually in the counseling office if you guys wanted to stop by. So that is how you'd find an open job. And then if you're looking for maybe other opportunities, we do have internships posted in here, different types of job opportunities or like experience opportunities. And then also our Pathways Career Expo is posted in here as well, if you want to kind of see who's going to be at the Career Expo at the end of March. If you have any questions, please ask your counselor.